Now once the lab is started, it will take some time. Now once the lab is started, right click over here and open the link incognito window. Scroll down and click on I understand. And after that you have this command. And let's export the value over here. Now you have to just check the score for this task. Do not worry, it takes some time. Meanwhile, what you have to do, you can see SSH button is there. You can either click on it or use the down arrow key, Qwik command, type Y, hit enter, again hit enter, again hit enter. Now wait for it